The benefits of keeping a diary and how it will help you stay organized. Keeping a diary is one of the most personal and intimate things that you can do. It can be a way for you to keep your thoughts and memories alive. It can also be a way for you to work through your problems or process what is happening in your life. A diary is not just an outlet for our thoughts and emotions, but it can also be a way to record everyday occurrences and insights. In this video, we will explore the benefits that come with keeping a diary so that you can decide if it might be something worth trying out. Why keeping a personal diary is beneficial for your mental health. Keeping a personal diary is beneficial for your mental health, and it can help you in many ways. It can help you to get in touch with your feelings, to see who you are as a person and what motivates you, and to become more aware of the world around you. A personal diary can be an outlet for sharing your thoughts and feelings with the world. You'll be able to see yourself through someone else's eyes when they read what you have written. It will also give the reader an insight into your life that they might not have had otherwise, which could lead them to form a closer relationship with you. Benefits of having personal diary to keep you sane. It is a common misconception that keeping a diary is only for people who are struggling with some mental health issues. However, there are many other benefits of having a personal diary. Keeping a diary offers you the opportunity to reflect on your day and see if you have been living the way you want to live. It also allows you to explore your feelings and emotions, which is something that can be difficult to do when someone else is around. The benefits of journaling on lackluster days. Journaling is a popular activity among many people. It has been proven to be beneficial in many ways, including reducing stress and anxiety. There are a number of benefits to journaling on lackluster days. The most obvious one is that it can help you get your thoughts out on paper, which will make you feel better about what is going on in your life. It can also give you a sense of clarity and perspective, so that when you finish writing you will know what to do next. Journaling can also be an outlet for creativity, which can help us tap into our imagination and find new solutions to problems we might not have thought of before. How keeping a diary can help you get better grades in school. Keeping a diary is one of the most effective ways to improve your grades. This is because it provides you with a space to reflect on your day and the challenges you faced. It also helps you become more aware of what you want out of life and what your priorities are. What are some benefits of keeping a diary? It relieves stress by being able to document how you're feeling and what's been happening in your life. A diary can help increase self-awareness by forcing you to think about who you are and what makes you happy. It helps with creativity, self-expression, empathy, and communication skills. How every grade A student should be keeping their own personal diary. Keeping a diary is not only a great way for students to keep track of their progress, but it also helps them learn how to write in a more effective way. It's also great for practicing their communication skills and building confidence. A diary is the perfect place for students to document their learning process, reflect on what they have learned, and record any thoughts or feelings about the experience. They can write about what they did well and what they need to improve on in order to be successful. They can also use it as an opportunity to practice writing skills by writing journal entries or reflections on lessons that they've completed.